Let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath now. And as you exhale, just let your body relax. Allow your mind to become present into this moment. We relax the body so that our mind can become still and quiet. So just imagine that there's a wave of relaxation moving up through your feet, your calves, your thighs, your hands, your arms, your shoulders, into your neck, down your back and your chest. Relax the muscles in your jaw and your cheeks and your face, your forehead and your scalp. Just imagine and sense that your whole body is relaxing and letting go of unnecessary tension. And we are going deeper into our God. Jesus said, when you pray, go into your inner chamber and shut the door and pray to your Father who is in secret. Now, he used the word Father. You can use whatever name you want to use for that presence. Some refer to that presence as Mother. Some refer to it as the universe, the source. It's a divine intelligence. It's an activity. It's reality with a capital R. And it's being you right now. It's being me right now. So when you quiet your mind, in a sense, you are going deeper into spirit, into God. That presence is always there. It's always being you. But we separate ourselves through our thoughts, through our feelings. But during this time, we quiet those thoughts. We quiet those feelings. And we discover pure consciousness. We discover our beingness. We discover that even when our thoughts are quiet and our emotions are still, we are still very much aware. We discover I'm not my thoughts, I'm not my feelings. I am consciousness. And we tune in to a wellspring of life, love, energy, intelligence. That's always there, ever seeking to express more fully. Go into your inner chamber and shut the door. Quiet the mind. Shut the door to what you see, to what you hear, to what you taste, to what you smell, to what you feel. And go deep within. Dive deep into that ocean of spirit, that ocean of light. And feel the presence beyond all thought, beyond all words. Take some time now and just be. Be still. the stillness is where Spirit speaks. In the beginning was the Word. The Word is the creative activity of God, the creative expression in the stillness. That Word at the center of your being is spoken. New life, new healing, new love, new wisdom, new power. A new world coming forth through you. A new consciousness being awakened and expressed in your world, in the world of your thought, in the world of your feeling, in the world of manifestation in your life. And we bring to mind our friends and family, and we acknowledge the spirit of love and joy and peace and prosperity unfolding in their lives. We give thanks that it's so. We anticipate and believe and have faith that it is now so. And we include all those whose names have been submitted to the Unity Center for prayer. And we trust that each person's needs are being met in right and wonderful ways. And we see our planet Earth enfolded in the light of love and harmony and order and prosperity and healing and peace. And we see the planet just being enveloped and enfolded in this light, raising the vibration of all of life. And blessing every person on the planet. Bringing forth the Spirit in all things, in all people. Shining brightly. And we see our planet shining like a beacon of light in the galaxy and in the universe. And now we bring our awareness back to the room where we are. We wiggle toes and fingers, becoming aware once again of our body, hearing the sounds around us. And we realize that this few minutes we have opened up to the activity of Spirit at the center of our being, and now we allow it to guide us, to direct us. We have faith that Spirit is in charge of our life, and we trust that activity. And we are so very grateful. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.